From January to April 2024, Munowi Maipasi, a farmer from Zimbabwe, conducted a field trial in Manicaland province to test the effectiveness of BioSoil and BioPlant on sugar bean crops. The trial compared 3 plots, one using BioSoil and BioPlant, one using chemical fertilizers and a control plot with no fertilizers. Results showed that the BioSoil and BioPlant combination led to healthier plants, better germination, improved heat resistance and the highest yield of 4.6 tons per hectare, outperforming chemical fertilizers, 4.2 tons, and the control, 2 tons, per hectare. As per the farmer, BioSoil and BioPlant offers a low-cost, easy-to-use solution that boosts soil fertility and yields, and he recommends all Zimbabwean farmers to give it a try.
My name is Munowi Maipasi, a farmer from Zimbabwe. I had an opportunity to test BioSoilZ and BioPlant's efficacy with the Zimbabwean soils from January 2024 to April 2024. I had a field trial in Manicaland province of Zimbabwe, where I planted sugar beans on homogeneous soil with different fertilizer applications. On the first application, I used BioSoilZ and BioPlant stimulants and named the plot normal procedure. The second application was for chemical fertilizers and was named conventional procedure. The last procedure was control, and no fertilizer was applied. It was meant to determine how much sugar beans was the soil able to give back without any additives. The credible results of the trial proved beyond reasonable doubt why BioSoilZ and BioPlant's combination needs to be adopted by modern farmers. Number 1, BioSoilZ is cheap. Only 5 liters of BioSoilZ and 5 liters of BioPlants are needed for a hectare. Number 2, BioSoilZ is easy to handle. Number 3, BioSoilZ is easy to use and has no complications like fertilizer burns. Hence no skill is needed to apply BioSoilZ. Number 4, after planting on BioSoilZ plots, germination looked good and crops were very healthy. This proved an irrebuttable fact that BioSoilZ improves soil fertility. Number 5, BioPlants was applied 2 weeks after germination, and the crops were really transformed. They developed dark green, broad leaves and thick branches, thus vigorous growth. This resulted to good flowering. Number 6, BioSoilZ crops were resistant to high temperatures. They proved this by becoming the last to reach their senescence. Number 7, BioSoilZ had the highest yield of 4.6 tons per hectare, followed by chemical fertilizers with 4.2 tons per hectare, and finally control with 2 tons per hectare. It's true that BioSoilZ and BioPlant stimulants leads to increased low-cost yield in Zimbabwe also. I therefore recommend Zimbabwean farmers to give it a trial and join the BioSoilZ family. For more information, go to www.BioSoilZ.com and discover more about BioSoilZ wonders. Thank you. Goodbye.